Kurog na siya. So we're taking the the shortest according to Google to Pagadian. So time check, it's anong oras na?
9:39.
9:39. ETA natin is na-reduce na from 7:01, from 7:15 to 7:01. So, hopefully ang target natin mga 6:30 will be in Jensen. Ito yung rota na hindi ka dadaan sa mga town centers. So this is the fastest kung galing kang Dapitan to Dipolo going to Pagadian or going to Cotabato. Malaking bagay na you can save 15 to 30 minutes of travel.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Dipolog, Pagadian Road Dipolog, Punta, Dansalan, Sergio Osmeña Road.
Dipolog, no? Sabi niya Dipolog, Pagadian. Pronunciation ng
Dipolog.
We'll be entering the Dipolog, Pagadian Road. Just few minutes.
Take the next left onto Dipolog, Pagadian Road Dipolog, Punta, Dansalan, Sergio Osmeña Road.
Dipolog kami. We're going Pagadian here. Dipolog is here. No? It's clear? Labas
Kung
kami.
Dipolog tayo with ano, doon tayo. Punta ka tayo doon.
Continue on Dipolog, Pagadian Road for 18 kilometers.
18 kilometers pa yung Dipolog namin. Pagadian na. Kasi sa likod, that's going Dipolog.
Dipolog.
Medyo maganda na yung kalsada dito, no? For those driving enthusiasts.
Ganda nga.
Ganda, oh. Ganda talaga, oh.
Sa shoulder pa yung road. For the tricycles. Tricycles should stay there in the shoulder of the road, but are they in the main road? Heist. Anyway, wala namang ibang pasahero. There's no other road users but us.